If you want to switch lanes, you got to hit that button in front.
I'll let you know you can go.
Lights starting.
Yeah, we're almost there. Car number 5 will try to jump now. Please wait a little bit.
Start. Oh, here it comes.
Go guys.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Look how fast they go. Yeah. So that's why he said on the corners you got to slow down.
These are beautiful.
Yeah, it's fast. You got to take it easy on the turn. Even that boy was doing that. Oh. See on the turns, he goes, got to slow it down.
Go number 4, go number 4.
What a quick whoa.
The car's stuck.
Good. Yeah, just to hit it to the right. Oh. Yeah, definitely this part of
The gas station sign here. Yeah. Yeah, and then pretty much when you go too fast, then they fall off. He said that he's up in the
Let's see
for the next one.
who is the winner. Car number 1,
The car is stuck.
6th position. Who's number 1?
So these astronauts are third.
Car number 2,
I want to get a picture of him doing it.
5th position. Car number 6, 4th. Car number 3,
I know all the
Third.
yeah, of course, because I make a lot of.
car number 5, 2nd. And car number 4,
Yeah.
the winner.
The trigger I had when I was a kid.